Okay, I'm going to go create a helicopter blade kind of like you see here. Here's how I did it. I went and created a rectangle, stopped out, went into rotate, held shift, and you can see my angular snaps are active up there. So I'm just going to create a copy, but see my angular snaps were active when I did that. I'm going to go ahead and just switch back to move for the hell of it, because I like that being the default. Then control select both of these and convert them to a poly, editable poly, and then you can go attach this other one to it. Right click to stop out, and then let's go into that mode and select one of these suckers. Why the hell is soft selection active? Anyway, then go boolean and add the other one in, and voila, you're done. Now that we're at that point, let's go ahead and add a an extrude modifier, and let's set our views to down here, hello, so I'm looking at it in all viewports, and that thickness is pretty much where I left the other one, so that's pretty good. Okay, now and I've still got the object selected. Let's go use the align command. That's just the out of the box align command. I'm going to align it to this thing. Okay, and by default I didn't have that, but I selected X, Y, Z, and they're currently set to the center points. I could actually set it to the center of that. Minimum, maximum. I want to align everything to it. Let's go ahead and just leave it at pivot point. I could match the scale, but anyway, that gets us there. And then let's go set our thing up here to local coordinates. And then I can grab this sucker right like that and pull it out there. Okay, so, and then like if I wanted to, I could go into rotate it. Now we're in view command on rotate, so I got to go local coordinates still, and that allows us to rotate it. Now if I wanted to change the pivot point, which happens to be where I'd want it for this right now, well, let's say it's for some reason it wasn't where I wanted it to. It's rather complicated, but you can go like isolate selection, okay, and basically that isolates it. You can exit this mode whenever you're done. Okay, but you go into the hierarchy panel and you go, affect pivot only. Okay, so you can actually see the view of the pivot. So, and of course right now it's where we want it, but I can go move it, and remember we're still in local coordinates. So, I can move it up or down, or in a plane, or in and out, to adjust it. But you could say, since this is symmetrical, we could say center to object. So, and I guess you can even align it, if it weren't aligned for some reason. So, anyway, that adjusts your pivot. So, so we didn't need to go and isolate it. It just helped, isolate the view, it just helped unclutter it, so I'm sure that'll be handy. So when you click that, and then you're done.